Welcome to the Health Made Easy podcast. Health advice so easy, you'll feel more confident about your body, health, and life. And now, your host, Dr. Connie Jean.
Hi, my name is Connie Jean, and today I want to talk to you about prevention and why it's so important for you. So when I was first diagnosed with lupus, I remember I experienced difficulty obtaining health care for myself due to my illness, and I was in my 20s. So urgent advice was given to me by my rheumatologist at the time to seek coverage by getting a job, which was the only way to get good enough coverage for my condition. It was to get it through a group plan that my employer would potentially cover. So after graduation, that was at the forefront of my mind. I was limiting my opportunities by focusing on the benefits that the potential jobs offered, as opposed to going for what I truly wanted to do. I've been fortunate to find great coverage one way or another, but we all know healthcare is not cheap. I've been opposed to healthcare maintenance organizations since the mid-90s. This is because I've seen and experienced the role they play in dictating healthcare services. Healthcare professionals go through rigorous studies to treat patients. However, more often than not, the treatments and services rendered by the healthcare professionals were often determined by what the insurance would pay, not what would be best for the patients. I've seen it in private practice and in hospitals. I've witnessed and experienced healthcare professionals at the mercy of what the HMOs would pay. So today, as a patient, I am serious about protecting my own health. And as a healthcare provider, I'm ever more passionate about equipping you with the information to do the same. And this requires a paradigm shift in the way you think about your health. A mind shift in the way you think about the role of your doctor will allow you to get clear about what your role is when it comes to your own health. So doctor's role is to manage your disease or symptoms. Your role is to own and protect your own health. I believe you should be responsible for your own health. You should be taking preventative measures to take care of yourself, not taking a back seat, and too many of you are doing that. Taking an active role versus a passive one. If more of us took responsibility for our health, we would be less dependent on health maintenance organizations and medical providers, which equips us to take a stance on making a change. Change that will cut unnecessary healthcare spending and focus on prevention. So to inspire you, imagine that you're a car. Most people take great care of their cars because they know that if they don't, not only will you be out of commission, but it can also be dangerous and frustrating. And when you drive a new car, there's more room for you to abuse it before it breaks down. However, as the car gets older, one must nurture and take care of it. Timely oil changes, wheel alignments, brakes, and tune-ups to keep the health of the engine running smoothly is essential. We as humans are the same. When we're young, we feel that we're invincible because injuries heal fast and we feel vibrant and healthy because our cells are busy regenerating. But as we grow older, all the insults add up and we slow down. We have to. We start to feel our age. The energy levels decline and are replaced with aches, pains, and growing stiffness. This is because our cells are degenerating faster than they are able to regenerate and heal. So as we collectively grow old together, we can choose to help our bodies grow stronger and enjoy our life until our last breath. Or we can take a back seat and grow old and tired. So which will it be for you? Stay tuned for next week's blog, where I'll teach you how to take an active role in your health. And if you agree and like this message, please share our post on your social media feeds, Facebook, Instagram, whatever you use. And please subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next week.
Thanks for listening to the Health Made Easy podcast. www.drconniejean.com